Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Area.
What does the dictionary say?
Space occupied by a flat shape, or the surface of an object. Area is measured in square units such as square centimeters, square feet, square inches, etc.
Math rap.
If you're doing a project and staring at a flat shape or surface of an object, the space of that shape before your eyes is the area, that measurable size.
Math rap.
Explain what area is in your own words. What is the area of the classroom floor when measured in feet? When in life is area important to measure? Why? What careers need to use measurement of area on a daily basis? Name units of measurement you can use to determine area. In centimeters, what is the area of the desk or table nearest to you? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!